This is Rebecca, DTI Academy Manager at Digital Thinker. Did you know you can record additional costs related to a work order, such as non-inventory parts? These costs do not affect purchasing in Hexagon EAM and are captured on the work order screen Additional Costs tab. Let me show you an example. Here I have a work order for an engine overhaul. 2 employees worked on this task and booked their labor. But let's say there are some additional costs I would like to add to truly capture the total cost associated with the overhaul. Perhaps you aren't tracking purchases in EAM, or maybe there are non-inventory parts or tool costs. You can add the details on the Additional Cost tab. This work order has 2 activities. The first is internal, so the following cost types are available: part, own labor, and tool cost. The second activity is for hired labor, meaning the hired labor checkbox is selected on the activity, so the cost types are slightly different. I'm going to add a couple of additional costs for activity 20. Let's start by adding a cost for consulting fees. So we can leave this as the services cost type. And let's add another one for a toolkit. Now that I have added the additional costs, you will see these reflected in the cost summary. We have the booked labor from our employees, the consulting fees reflected in services, and then the toolkit reflected as a tool cost. So whether you are reviewing this work order or the overall cost of maintaining the engine, you have a more accurate representation of the cost to make better informed decisions, such as whether or not it's time to replace the asset. Let us know in the comments below if you are recording additional costs, and if so, feel free to share some examples. Thank you.